We're going to be tracking Tropical Storm Erin as it approaches the U.S., but I wanted to track it and show you what I think is going to be happening. So this storm is forecast to strengthen. It's very fast moving. It's moving west at 22 miles per hour, becoming a hurricane by Friday, but quickly amplifying to potentially a Category 2 or even a catastrophic Category 3 hurricane as it approaches the Caribbean and the Bermuda and Puerto Rico. However, offshore, there's a high pressure system right here that will steer this away from the U.S. as it moves north. So that is most likely what is going to happen. Of course, this is still so far out. I mean, we're looking at next week for any impact to the U.S. So we'll be tracking that one well into next week. But as of right now, that high pressure system stays there, which it looks like it will steer it away from the U.S. But of course, we'll continue to track it. All right, looking towards the sunshine in La Jolla and in Rancho Penasquitos. Really, no matter where you are, it is sunny, but the clouds are coming. You can see those clouds starting to thicken up along some of our coastal communities from about Del Mar all the way down towards Imperial Beach. Still mostly sunny, though. Temperature is quite a bit cooler there. Del Mar, La Jolla, Imperial Beach at 69 degrees right now. We're in the low to mid 80s for most inland neighborhoods, 94 in Warner Springs, and 111 in the deserts. All right, Vista, heading back to school tomorrow. You're going to see those clouds early, taking a little bit longer to clear. In fact, you may not see sunshine until, or at least completely clear skies until about 11 o'clock or even noon, with temperatures topping off in the mid-70s in the afternoon, mid-60s in the morning as you're heading out to the bus stop or if you're walking to school or however you're getting there. Poway also heading back. Shout out to my alma mater. You can see some patchy fog in the morning, could be dense in some areas. Temperatures waking up at sunrise, low to mid-60s, clearing out most areas sunny by about 10, 11 o'clock. I think even Poway will be sunny by about 10 o'clock tomorrow. And temperatures in the mid-80s here. Very comfortable first day back at school. So low to mid-80s for the inland neighborhoods. I'm forecasting 82 in Fallbrook, 81 in El Cajon. Low to mid-70s along our coast. Just about as warm as we've been, though, for our mountains in the mid to upper 80s and the deserts. Up to 113 in Ocotillo Wells. Some areas may get close to 115, but I think 113 is most likely the hottest that we will get. And that extreme heat warning, again, in the deserts extended again until tomorrow night. So high pressure is with us, but it's going to be weakening. Here's the cooler air headed our way. That is going to be pushing that ridge, that warmer air away from us and bringing in not only a cool down, but also a deepening marine layer. So tomorrow morning, 8 a.m., most coast and valleys still overcast. Could see some patchy fog again for the inland neighborhoods. Not very likely along our coast. We'll see more clouds, less fog along our coast, but some inland neighborhoods will be waking up to that fog. Clearing out mid to late morning, we're seeing sunny skies. There could be a few pockets right at the immediate beaches that do see those clouds linger into the afternoon, though, and do expect slower clearing Thursday, Friday, and Saturday as this onshore flow gets enhanced. It's really going to be thickening up our marine layer. In fact, temperatures will be mostly in the low 70s through the weekend, with some areas on Friday and Saturday, like La Jolla, Mission Beach, looking at highs about 68, 69 degrees. How about that for mid-August? Inland neighborhoods, we should be closer to 90. We're going to be up to 10 degrees cooler than average Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday in the low 80s. And patchy fog going to be possible the next couple of mornings. The mountains, we were in the 90s, and even some areas were in the 90s today. We're going to be in the 70s Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And the deserts, temperatures also dropping into the low 100s, right about 104 this weekend.